Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate these cute Totoro nails. Start off by painting all of your nails a sheer pink. Use a dark gray to make a tall semicircle at your cuticle. For the ears, keep using gray to make two small horizontal lines and then a rounded triangle shape above them. Use a sandy color to make Totoro's chest. You want to make the edges a little bit jagged so that it looks like fur. Once the polish is dry, add a few little dark gray arrows on top of the beige. Make the mouth, nose, eyes, and whiskers using black paint or polish. Fill the eyes in with white so that there's just a thin black outline, and then add a pupil with black. Seal in your design with a top coat. For the second version of Totoro, start off with the same general head shape, but don't bother painting the tops of the ears. Use the same beige from before for the right half of Totoro's chest, and then add two gray arrows over top. Make a long black triangle shape for the mouth. Fill the shape in with white polish and then add thin vertical black lines to separate the teeth. Add in the nose, eyes, and whiskers like before. Make a curved, jagged line for Totoro's arm. Use a medium green polish to make a leaf between Totoro's ears, and then use lighter and darker green polishes to add depth. For the umbrella, use a dark navy polish to make a semicircle above Totoro's head. Add 3 little points at the bottom, and then use black to make a point at the top of the umbrella and to make the handle. Make the bottom of the handle a little bit thicker, and then make Totoro's claws with brown polish. Outline the claws with black. Seal in your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!